There she is! Wait. Can I talk to you like this? No, fight. Okay. Most chocobos around here are wild, so you can't ride them without training them first. I've trained some chocobos. Do you want to ride one? Let me ride one. Ah! Yatta! Gosh! Ow! No! You've got to pass between me. One more time. Okay. It's so hard. No. Where are you going? You one more time. No, go straight. Birds, Chocobo, go straight. No, where are you going? No. And that's the easy part. Come on. Why am I that bad? Go straight. You can do it. You can do it. No. This will be an endurance stream now. Da-da-da, da-da, da-da-da-da-da. Go! No! How? Go back. No. Chocobo, go straight. What are you doing? Go straight. Ow. Why is it so hard? This bird is not listening to me. This bird is not listening. No, why he's trying to... Use the D-pad. Okay. Oh, come on! Okay, wait. I think. Wait, do I have to? Wait. It's just it walks too. If I click left or right, it goes straight to the other direction. Is it like I have to toggle? No. No! 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 Where are you going? Where are you going? No! 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 That was so close! No! 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 Wait, why is the first one already so hard? Come on. Come on. Ah, where you going? Chocobo! Come on, behave. Just walk straight. No! No! もう一回、もう一回。I had it! Why did I get stuck at the chocobo? No! Did you see that? I had 12. I had 12-8. I had 12-8, but I. Where are you going? Where are you going? Wait. Okay. Yay! I did it! Yay! Yay! Guden, thank you so much for subbing. Thank you. Thank you so much for bringing back a feather. Thank you.